Hey everybody, Dan here again from Sprintbase. I wanted to share a quick story with you. I just got off a call with a facilitator who had some questions about a workshop that he's running next week for 30 people on experimentation. He shared the board that he had built. He'd spent quite a bit of time putting this together, where participants are going to create their storyboard, identify some assumptions about human behavior within that storyboard, map them, and then plan some experiments to run. So that's great. And then I asked him if he was aware of this feature that I'm going to share with you now. When you create a whiteboard within a workspace and you're creating a workshop, like he was for a group of people, you can go to the left-hand menu. It's called the frameworks button here. So adding a framework. There's a number of different options, but under the templates option, the Sprintbase team has added all of the design tools and templates that you can find from the homepage, or you can launch as single whiteboards within a workspace, but you can also create multiple templates in a single whiteboard or a blank whiteboard. So I'm going to look up storyboard here. There it is. I just drag it into the board there. It's nicely laid out. What I like about these templates is that there are instructions here, and then there's kind of step-by-step guidance. And he had also done experiments. So I'll pull in the experiment planner, add it here, drag it out so it's equal in size. And now I want to invite my group of 30, so I copy this link to the board, I put it into the Zoom chat, people start coming in, and we just start working through our program. And that's what I wanted to share with you today, how to add design tools and templates from the library of templates into a single whiteboard and kind of build out your workshops within a single whiteboard. Hope that helps. Take care.